What's going on? Today I'm here to talk to you about the best Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals in WordPress 2021. My name's Chris Badgett. I'm the CEO and co-founder of LifterLMS. We have a great Black Friday deal, but this video is not just about LifterLMS. It's about the best Black Friday deals for people building online learning platforms, whether you call it a course, a membership site. I'm going to show you how to shop and get the best WordPress Black Friday, Cyber Monday deals and coupon codes in 2021. So real quick, the LifterLMS Black Friday deal, just use Black Friday 21 as the coupon code at checkout and you'll save 20%. Here's an article about the promotion this year, and it's actually been running all of November, so you can go get that deal right now and get $2,000 worth of bonuses. So go check out the LifterLMS Black Friday deal there. There's a link below this video to what I'm looking at right here. But then also at LifterLMS, we are a contributor to the WordPress community, and we like to help other companies be successful and surround the learning platform creator with the resources and tools and support and recommendations that they need. So I'm just going to go over some of the best Black Friday 2021 Cyber Monday deals in the WordPress community. This is the LifterLMS recommended resources page. So click the link below this video and you can go browse around on this page yourself. So if you don't want to listen to me go over a lot of these things, just click the link below this video, smash the like button while you're down there and go explore. What this is this is a curated list of the very best tools people need to be successful when they're building a learning platform. We get asked all the time to make things like hosting recommendations or CRM recommendations and so on. So I'm just going to go over real quickly all the different types of things on this page that this is a great time of year to go shopping for. Hosting. Every WordPress LMS website needs some hosts. We've curated down to the short list of 6 or 7 or so providers that people in the LifterLMS community love. You got to get a domain name, email, service, content management system. Of course, we love WordPress. If we look at themes as an example here, all these theme sites, I can almost guarantee, like Cadence and Astra and BuddyBoss and the Genesis stuff, these are all likely to have pretty killer Black Friday, Cyber Monday deals. We've got the page builders. If you're looking to get going with Beaver Builder or Divi or Elementor, this is a great time of year to pick those up. Under LMS plugins, of course, we've got LifterLMS. So use coupon code Black Friday 21 at checkout to save there and get $2,000 worth of bonuses. There is a link below this video where you can learn more about those bonuses. We've got third-party add-ons. These are companies that have chosen to integrate their software with LifterLMS to better serve course creators, membership site builders, and so on. Companies like Affiliate WP, Abandoned Carts, Astra Pro, Automator WP, Course Scheduler, GameyPress, the GrassBlade X API, BadgeOS, Easy Digital Downloads integration, LifterElements, which builds a bridge between Elementor and LifterLMS, Quiz Import, Export, Save Quizzes PDF, and Memberium, MyCred, Rebrand LifterLMS Pro, RafflePress, Uncanny Automator, Upsell plugin, Wishlist Member, WP Formify, WP Fusion. Lots of people love using WP Fusion with LifterLMS. This is a great time of year to pick that up. For SEO, I'm a big Yoast guy. It's what I've always used, but there's some other great other great SEO plugins out there like Rank Math. So this is a great time of year to get that. You got to integrate your Google Analytics. This is a great time of year to get Monster Insights. There are 4 form plugins that integrate with LifterLMS: Gravity Forms, Ninja Forms, Formidable Forms, and WP Forms. So go check those out. We also have a lot of people out there that love using Gravity View with Gravity Forms. Go check out their deal. Of course, you need some Google Analytics. I don't think the payment gateways are going to cut you any deals, but you need those. Who knows, some of these CRM platforms may have some Black Friday, Cyber Monday deals. I know Groundhog will if you're looking to do it from your LifterLMS powered site, like from the WordPress site, and not have a separate CRM. So Groundhog's very popular. There's also another one that integrates with Lifter called Fluent CRM. So go check that out as well. Automated meeting scheduling. A lot of coaches and course creators need that. So go check out Calendly and the like. We got project management software, video editing software like ScreenFlow, Camtasia. You definitely need something like that. Every course creator, almost all of them, need some kind of video hosting. I'm not sure if these folks are providing any deals, but definitely worth checking out. Vimeo Pro is the most popular in our community over at LifterLMS. Zoom, Webinar Ninja are also great tools if you're doing webinars and meetings and that sort of thing. Live chat, we've got Drift, go check them out. You got the backup and security systems in WordPress, go look for their deals. Termageddon, every website needs a privacy policy, terms and conditions page. Go check out what you can get through Termageddon, which is done with real lawyers and a system for keeping those legal pages updated. It's a great time to go shopping for your cameras and your microphones. Get yourself, upgrade your computer. There's various design services out there like Canva and Design Pickle. They're likely having Black Friday deals as well. So again, just click the link below this video and you're going to get bombarded. Sorry to say, your email inbox is about to explode over these next couple days and next week or so. So what I recommend you do is you go to this page, you click through, you browse around, you see what you might be interested in getting, and kind of take control of your Black Friday, Cyber Monday software shopping spree as a course creator, a WordPress LMS professional, so that you can only kind of focus on just getting the things that you actually need. So go check out the LifterLMS recommended resources down below. There's a link so that you can get to this page. There's also a link to the LifterLMS Black Friday, Cyber Monday deal, which is actually already live. So if you're ready to roll or you're ready to upgrade to a higher bundle in LifterLMS, you can learn all about what you get there. So thanks for checking out this video. I wish you all the best this holiday season from myself and the LifterLMS team.